Welcome to my brand new tutorial, guys. In today's video I'm excited to share a brand new update, Naira update that claim they will pay you for only watching short clips video and testing apps. So guys, if you stick to me from the beginning of this video to the end, I'm going to show you a withdrawal proof at the end of this video that is going to tell you that this platform is legit. One thing I want you two guys to know about this Naira update is that they don't normally stay long. Once their money finish, they will leave and stop paying. So make sure you join my WhatsApp community link in the video description so that each time I drop an update like this and you stop paying, I will notify you guys so that you start wasting your data on it. I will be leaving the registration link in the comment section. So guys, if you are just coming across my video for the first time, I remind you one and only legit update. I show you tips and teach you how to make money online with your smartphone and anything that will connect you with internet. So make sure you stay carefully, watch this video carefully from beginning to the end. So this is how the update is. See, this is the update wealth rest. So if you click on the link in the comment section, it's going to bring you directly to Telegram and click on start. If you click on start, they are going to give you a commission of 5,000 daily welcome bonus. So if you refer a friend, they have their own commission, and once your friend is earning tax, you will be earning a commission from your friend's tax. So you see, this is their what they do in the update. You see, test app and game, invite people, watch videos, daily milestones. So if you come on this watch text and game, it's going to take you directly to where you app test app, and you see each app we test, they will be giving you 8,000. So if you come on this, guys, if you take this update seriously, you are going to make a massive money on it. You see, this is your referral link. You can copy it and share it, or you can share it directly from here. You see this invite people, you click on this invite, you will get a referral code. Even if you don't click, you copy it directly from where I show you. You see, this is daily marathon. So this is how it is step by step. Step 2, invite 2 friends and claim 8,000. Step 3, invite 4 friends and claim 24,000. Step 6, invite 6 friends and claim 40,000. That's for daily. If you can invite any of these friends daily, you claim your money plus your earning reward. So you see, if you come on this watch ads, so this is what you are going to do. Make sure you stick to me from this video from beginning to the end. Make sure you follow the instruction. One thing I love about this update is that they don't give plenty video. You see, each of the following promoted video can be viewing, and when you watch the video you can get this corresponding commission due to the large number of users. Each person can only watch 3 video a day, so make sure you don't skip a day. You can only watch 3 video a day. You see, I've watched this once. I leave this one here just to do a tutorial on it so that you guys will see it. As you can see here, you see how people are withdrawing on it massively. This is my one leg. At the end, I'm going to show you how to link your bank account on it. So this is what to do to watch the ad. Click on this and you see this green you are seeing here. It's going to start counting. Once it starts counting, then you are going to wait until the counting is over. Yes, that's how the update works. You see how many seconds they do. So you see this counting, you are going to wait until it shows 00.
So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to skip this video so that when it stop counting, what to show you, I'm going to show you guys. So
once it claims and finish, it will minimize by itself. So you see the balance has increased to 89,600. So that's how it is. So guys, this video is for educational purposes only. I want you to put this in your mind that it's not going to make you to be rich, but it's going to make you to have a little income amount that can pay some of your bill. That is, if you take it serious, and it depends on your effort on the update. So I'm going to tell you how to link your bank account on it and paste a withdrawal on it. So if you come on this cash, this is where you are going to link your bank account on it. Right now we are going to do live on linking the bank account on it. Yes, make sure you have patience because this video is going to be a little longer. If you see here, share and earn, share earn and withdraw your earnings, redeem your wealth rest earning directly to Opay, Palmpay, Paga, etc. These are the banks they have. Withdraw your accumulated earning using your preferred withdrawal method. We offer a diverse range of options. So if they have different type of options. They say don't miss out on your earning. Please set up your payout method to ensure you get paid. So don't forget, I say at the end of this video, I'm going to show you a withdrawal proof. So guys, make sure you try and register on this update, and if you register, make sure you are doing your tax daily. Even though you are not playing the game, just come back and watch the video and wait till the time count out all, then you will now claim your reward. And then if you link your bank account, place your withdrawal anytime you want. So we are going to add our bank account right now. Click on add payment method. You see here, choose your bank, select your bank. Let me select Opay, then your account number. So guys, you see payment details, that's account number. You are going to put your account number. So my own account number is, click on yes. Once you are able to withdraw, then you can withdraw your money ASAP. Make sure you are doing this. Don't forget to subscribe, share the notification bell. But before then guys, you see if you click on this three dot here, it's going to bring you to a different types places. So if you click on this profile, it's going to bring you to profile. If you click on the withdrawals, that's the withdrawals that if you have withdrawal on anything, you will see it here. You see, this is my balance. Once you reach the payment ratio, you can withdraw your money. So I say I'm going to show you withdrawal proof at the end of this video. So let's go so that you see the withdrawals proof I've been talking about. So if you come here like this, you see these are the withdrawal people have been withdrawing. You see proof of payment, you see it. Just scroll in, you will see different type of payment method, proof of payment that people have been paid from this update. Make sure you are doing this update with your chest. You know, sometimes this Onera update they don't normally used to stay long. If they some of them don't even used to pass five four in fact 4 to from 4 down month from 4, 3, 2, 1, they will stop paying. So if you come across any Naira update, not even this one, any Naira update that you come across that they claim they pay, make sure you mine it with your chest, and once you reach the minimum withdrawal, if they have a minimum withdrawal, you withdraw your money ASAP. So guys, I think that's all for now. I will leave you here. Don't forget to subscribe, share. Registration link in the comment section. Join my WhatsApp community link in the video description. Thank you guys.